We basically are training our employees to be able to set the machine up and use the robot in that manner, so we get like really consistent results, and it's also allowing them to use technology in a positive way. Yeah, we're really optimistic about this year. Last year was quite a challenge for us in terms of our sales. Whether it was the election year, we're not exactly sure to pinpoint the exact reason. But this year we're seeing a lot more RFQs come in. We have much more work booked for this year, so we're extremely optimistic this year. Yeah, it seems like Gen Z at this point is kind of skipping college and going into the trades. So far I've seen some figures saying like 2 million less people are attending college. So that, says to me that they're interested in the trades and actually making things as opposed to just going to school. So it's really encouraging to see that. We're excited about it. We actually have 2 or 3 Gen Zers like on our staff. They're very enthusiastic, optimistic. They want to learn and they want to make things. So we're pretty excited. I'm not sure. Maybe it's the too much digital in their life, and they want to maybe actually make something. That's maybe a theory, but we're pretty excited. Yeah, so we've been trying to train a lot in-house. In starting positions, we'll basically cross-train our new employees on different equipment. So we have a lot of versatility, and they also gain the experience of operating different equipment, which ultimately kind of also helps them choose like a direction that they might like in the case that we find more permanent positions in different areas of the shop for them to work in. We have been for the last couple of years. We've been using Cobots for welding. We basically are training our employees to be able to set the machine up and use the robot in that manner, so we get like really consistent results, and it's also allowing them to use technology in a positive way. So it's been helping our capacity, also our quality in terms of the welding. We see a lot of exciting integrations with robotics and technology. Specifically, like I said, the welding is important for us and been beneficial for our business. But also with menial tasks like finishing tasks and things like that, we can get consistent results and utilize the robotics to do those tasks while freeing up our resources to do other more important detailed technical tasks. Obviously robotics have come to a certain point at this moment in time where they're being more readily integrated amongst the workforce. And with the acceleration of AI, I'm really looking forward to seeing the combination of the two merge on the shop floor. Pretty optimistic about that. Excited to see what happens. Not exactly sure what the outcome's going to be, but pretty optimistic about it. Yeah.